Google Earth is a computer program, a software program, which shows our Earth not only in 2D but also in 3D. Along with this, we have different layers, not only the satellite imagery but also the aerial photographs, the GIS data. You can see your house, your city or the whole continent from different landscapes and angle. Keyboard and mouse can be used. You can use it on your smartphone, on your desktop, even as a browser program. Please remember KML, KMZ, these are the data or the shapefiles. With WMS or web map services, you can have different date imageries that can be shown. Along with this, you have Moon and Mars also available. How your Earth is or place is shown in nighttime, daytime, that can also be seen. Flight simulator is there. Then we have the Voyager is there on the browser program. So if you want to make a documentary, you want to make a presentation, or you want to explore the Earth, this is the product. In order to get the Google Earth or Google Pro, you have to go to your favorite browser. Just type Google Earth or Google Earth Pro. The initial links are going to point you or direct you to exact location. For example, if I just click this install and uninstall Google Earth Pro, you will see that there are different versions available here, and depending upon the version, you can install the Google Earth Pro on Windows. There are multiple options that we are going to talk in just a bit. When we do download Google Earth Pro, it will take you to the actual Google Earth website. Once you go on this website, there are certain accept and download you have to do. And here you see this is the basic point from where you can get or download the Google Earth Pro. This is the program I'm showing you working on the browser. This is how you can download by going to Earth versions. In Earth versions, there are 3 options being provided: Google Earth on web, Google Earth on mobile, and Google Earth Pro on desktop. So we will be attempting to download this Google Earth Pro and install it on our system and see what all it provides. First thing is, go to Google Earth download, accept and download. It will be downloaded as an exe. You need to have the internet connection ready, because once you do this, you click it, it will be downloaded first and then it will be installed. It will take certain time because it is a computationally expensive product but easy to use. Installation is complete. You will get this in your start menu. From start menu, you can direct or you can start your Google Earth Pro. This is for your desktop. So this is the screen you will see once you start the Google Earth Pro. Now this is the interface. The central screen you see has a globe with different layers, and these layers are coming one by one. On the left you will see search, places, search and places, where you can search and go to a place. My places are the place of importance you want to keep. And the layers, these are the different database layers, different weather, gallery, photo, places layers that are like sandwich one over the other. So just mouse control is there. Even if you want to go at some place, you can just type. For example, I am typing Delhi, and once you click search, it will take you to the position, because this is a globe and you can move it using the mouse. You can just have to pull up the mouse, drag it, or move, tilt, press shift. All controls are there. Once you are in a position here, this is the position we have typed. Now you just have to use your mouse, press the left and right button, and you see what happens. So you can zoom in, you can zoom out using your mouse control. And these yellow line which you see, white lines, these are the layers roads. It can be turned off and turned on. On the background you have the imagery, and imagery date is from 2022. And these are the control on the upper right. Zoom in, zoom out is there. You have tilt control, you have the movement control. Then you have the place mark. You want to go to your house or your place or office, then just mark as my place. The latitude and longitude will automatically come, and the latitude longitude is also seen in the lower pane on the right hand side if you see. So once you click it here, even if you are lost, just click on my place. It will direct you to the exact position of this pin which is indicating your location. Now this location, you have the date, imaginary date on the right, on the below part. You have lat longs, you have the elevation and the distance of your eye from the base of the earth. So you have different layers here. You can just turn it on, turn it off. It will be shown and disappear likewise. So this is a kind of touring or taking a voyage on the globe, on your place or the place you want to go. So you have a terrain here. Terrain means the 3D. Once you click or turn on the terrain, the 3D will be shown, otherwise not. So this is, I am just using my mouse, the dragging, pressing one button and just moving it. Okay. So this is a virtual tour. And now I would like to show you a position where you want to go and see what information you can get. You have the photo information, you have the 3D model, you have various information which has already been placed by the Google Earth, and the user, they have also placed it, like you will in the future. As I said, if you are lost, just click on my place. It will take you to the position where you want to go. You can add multiple places on the left pane. You can even mark the tour or path. So this is the view of tilting. I am tilting. You can view the globe or the earth while you are standing or while you are in air. I am taking to a hotel, very popular hotel, and then I am just clicking the photorealistic, and this I am just trying to drag the street view map or 3D map. So I am just dragging the street view map, and I would like to show you the pictures here. So if you go to this place and want to know that how this hotel is, how is the conference room, whether I would like to go or not, or I can, by sitting in at my home, take a virtual tour. So these are the possibilities that Google Earth provide. This is the picture of the conference hall, and this is the possibility which Google Earth provide. So you can just exit the street view now, and the names are also shown who have uploaded this picture. Along with this, you have the 3D models incorporated that people have made or the Google Earth people have made. So you can just go inside, see, verify, validate, and also plan and make decision depending upon these available 3D models. With respect to Google Maps, Google Earth also provide the routing facility that you can have the directions from one place to another, that is the source and destination. We are taking one place as Rashtrapati Bhavan of Delhi, and then second one is Delhi Airport. So when just click, you will see the route, the proper route or the path from one source to a destination. And these are different layers which you can turn on and turn off if you want to see it more. This is I am showing you the terrain and non-terrain, borders and label. These are the political boundaries, 3D buildings as I just showed you, roads, non-roads. So these are all the possibilities. Place mark is one place I am selecting. These are different places. Don't just press OK. First take this pin and place it or drag it to the place you want, and this lat long and other information also is seen. The most important GIS activity is the distance measurement, path measurement, polygon measurement, area measurement, and the perimeter measurement. So just use the line, single line, and distance will be shown. If you have the multi-line, then you can use the path, or you can choose a route and you can find out the length or the distance from the source to the destination. There are different units available like the kilometers, feet, yards, miles, etc. Polygon is all about the area, that the area you want to choose. You want to find out the perimeter, you want to find out the area. That is also available in different units. Then you can have a circle here. That is, you can define the radius. You have a 3D path, and 3D polygon, because this Google Earth is all about the 3D visualization of actual globe which we used to learn when we were kids. Now you can just clear these from the screen. You can also save this before you close this ruler option. So you can save also and you can clear also. One more important thing Google provide is the movie maker. You can make a virtual tour and record a video. So I have recorded a video, I can play it. And this is very important when you want to make a documentary, when you want to show it in your presentation, or you want to keep it for your voyage or path or later decision making. So from one point to another, Google Maps is also providing that, and Google Earth is also providing that. All these images are the latest images. These images are from different satellite, and these images can be changed. Because this image is from Landsat. This is a very important satellite. Now you can change the satellite imagery date, because these images can be very useful when you want to see the change detection. Even we can have the image of 1985, we are running in 2023. So the images can be seen draped over the wire mesh of globe. So these are the different images which I am trying to highlight. You can very well see the changes taken place. So from 1985, and there are certain places where we have the images much more before that. The terrain, how it will be shown or how it will look in the daytime, nighttime, evening time, you can simulate it on Google Earth. If you're going somewhere and landing somewhere in the nighttime, how you are going to see the terrain, that also can be seen and visualized. So this is the time facility or the contrast and brightness facility. Then only the Google Earth is not about Earth. You can see the sky, the number of stars, galaxies, everything which has been researched is seen here. So along with Earth, you can see the sky, because there is NASA, there are different companies and government organizations which have already done this science, and it is available to us. Along with this, we can go to Mars, because this is also, Google Earth is also providing the globe of Mars. We are searching for water there. There are different exploration which have mapped, and now this Mars is available to us. Along with this, we have a planet which is called Moon, and that is our planet. And this also has been mapped, and this also you can have a virtual tour. So you can have a view, and apart from that, all this can be emailed. Whatever you see can be emailed, and you can send it to your boss, you can keep it with you, and then you can print also. Once you print it, it will be printed in the form of a map. In a map, we have the legend, we have the different rulers and scales. All these you can have and you cannot have. That means you can uncheck that. So you have north, a kind of cartography is available, you can say that. So for example, this map, I am just naming it as my map. So now I can print it, I can save it, I can email it also. Alright. This save image is also taking the internal picture, that is the screen which you see, and you can save this for later use. So this mapping and cartography a little bit is also possible. All this menu which you see here, these are all the options which I have showed you also. So you can access it through the icons or through these different menu options. Now I'll take you to the other part, which is I'm going back to Earth now. And then you see, this is a viewpoint. Now I would like to take you to that location, because we don't know where we have placed our location. So just double click it and it will take you to exact location where you have pointed it, and the Google Earth has directed us to that position. There is a GPS option. If the GPS is connected, then the information from GPS, that is the lat long and other information, can be taken. Because the GPS is not connected right now, so it is not showing. So GPS data is also available. We have the flight simulator. Now in F-16 or SR-22, how the terrain or the below earth is seen. So it's a kind of simulation, people want this. There's certain information like the elevation, the bearing, and trajectory, everything is available here. So you can see it is a bird eye view and a kind of similar to an actual simulation of flight. Now here we have the Google Maps. So because both are the product of Google, by clicking inside the Google Earth, you can go to Google Map. Also, you can have the Google Earth on the web, that is the browser. So this is the Google Earth, which from where we have started, and Google Map we have come. So they are interactive and they are connected together. Okay, so this Google Map and Google Earth are connected as I just showed you. So the next one is the web. So this Google Earth web, the options are less because the desktop version is providing a lot of things which is very important for remote sensing, GIS and other related sciences. So now you can import various GeoTIFF, GeoJSON, Esri, all the kind of data which can be imported, which are prevalent, that is provided here. So you can make your own self. Then we have the viewshed analysis, that is from one point what all can be seen. This is very important for the military person, for the people who want to make buildings and other decision makers and planners. So from here you see you can, what is visible, what is not visible is seen here. This is viewshed. People want grids also to be there. So here we have different grids. This is in our hand, we can take the size less or more. Then we have the elevation profile. This is very important because this is a 3D product. So we will make a path here and don't press OK until you mark 2 points. One will be the source, one will be the destination. So then you can write some name like my path I am typing. When you say OK, there is a path from one point to another. Now this we can show the elevation profile. Elevation profile, please remember that terrain should be on, and when you show the elevation profile from one point to another, how many ridges are there, undulations are there, or you can say peaks are there, can be seen here. So this is a plain land. As I said, you have to open or tick the terrain and then you can see what will be your path if you want to go by road, by walk, or whichever way you want. Let me take you to a position where you see more peaks, more undulation, more ridges. So we'll go to a place which is at some height. So this is a best place we can draw a path where you can not reach normally. So from here you can make a path again, and this path, as I said, first the source point and then the destination point. This you have to mark. For example, here and here I'm marking the source path, and this is being draped over the actual terrain or satellite imagery, because on the background it's all 3D mesh, nothing else. So this is the peaks you see, and if you go to every peak you will see the height in feet, and you can change it also, so the whole elevation profile and the range can be seen. So if you are from remote sensing or GIS or from all related sciences, this Google Earth Pro and Google Earth is a very important product for you to plan, make decision and take a virtual tour. This is very helpful for those who are actually working in this field or sciences. Hopefully you might have got a lot of information here. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.